Stop saying, I don't know in Spanish. 6 native ways to sound more fluent. Why this works? Everyone learns no sé, but that's just the beginning. Native speakers of Spanish use a wide range of expressions for I don't know, depending on tone, context, and emotion. The video that you are just about to watch teaches real conversational Spanish. You will also be able to see the emotion, the facial expressions, and the tone that we use as native speakers. Hola, bienvenidos a Learn Spanish World, el canal donde aprender español es claro, divertido y 100% real. Soy el Señor Brigs, a fully qualified, certified Spanish teacher and also a native speaker of Spanish. And today, I'm giving you something powerful. 6 real ways to say I don't know in Spanish, the way native speakers actually do. Frase número 1, no sé. Let's start with the one you probably already know. No sé, which means I don't know. Now, no sé is very commonly used. However, did you know it's often too dry, too flat, too vague for many conversations? For example, ¿qué significa esta palabra? No sé. Not very warm, right? No sé. It's a little bit like cutting you off. No sé, leave me alone. Don't worry, we're just getting started. You are going to learn how to answer with a different phrase to make your conversation more alive. Frase número 2. Ni idea, no idea. This is very casual, common. Ni idea, no idea. It's fast, easy, and super native. So instead of saying no sé all the time, now you can say ni idea, no idea. An example that I can give is the following. ¿Dónde está Juan? Where is John? ¿Dónde está Juan? Ni idea, loco. No idea, mate. Ni idea. You'll hear this all over Latin America and Spain also. Great for quick replies. Ni idea. Frase número 3. ¿Quién sabe? Who knows? This is used when something is uncertain or out of your control. It's used in the same way we use it in English. ¿Quién sabe? Who knows? ¿Quién sabe? Who knows? It adds a little touch of mystery or even comical sarcasm. Who knows? ¿Quién sabe? In order to reinforce this, I'll give you another example. ¿Cuándo van a llegar? ¿Quién sabe? When are they arriving? Who knows? It's especially useful when you're a bit annoyed or skeptical. Frase número 4. No tengo ni la más mínima idea. This is for drama lovers. If you want to make it very dramatic, you can say, no tengo ni la más mínima idea. I haven't got the slightest idea. This sounds like I seriously have no clue. ¿Cómo se dice canguro, kangaroo, en alemán? No tengo ni la más mínima idea. ¿Cómo se dice perro en chino? No tengo ni la más mínima idea. Tip: this one impresses natives. It's funny, very expressive, and totally natural. Frase número 5. Déjame pensar. Let me think. This is gold for fluency. Déjame pensar. Let me think. Even if you don't know the answer yet, this gives you time. So if you want to buy out a little bit of time to think or try recalling, you say, déjame pensar. It buys you out time and makes you sound thoughtful, not clueless. For example, ¿cuál es el verbo para drive in Spanish? Déjame pensar. Sounds natural. Fluent, native. Déjame pensar. Frase número 6. No estoy seguro. I'm not sure. So if you're a male, you would say, I'm not sure. No estoy seguro. If you're a female, you would say, no estoy segura. Use this when you kind of know, but you're not 100% sure. It shows a little bit of hesitation, humility, and it's a polite way to admit uncertainty. No estoy seguro. For example, ¿eso es un adjetivo o un verbo? Is that an adjective or a verb? No estoy seguro. Creo que es un adjetivo. This is the one native speakers use most in academic or serious contexts. So if you're studying in a university or, year 12, the last year of high school, you could say, no estoy seguro. Es hora de practicar. Practice time. Muy bien. Sigamos. Practice time. Try this in context, okay? Let's practice. Fill in the blank in your head or out loud. All right, so, where's the teacher? ¿Dónde está el maestro? Answer. Don't say no sé. Don't say no sé. Ni idea. No idea. Ni idea. Next one, siguiente. Do you know this word? What's the answer? Do you know this word? No estoy seguro. I'm not sure. No estoy seguro. When is the exam? How would you say, who knows? That's right. ¿Quién sabe? Who knows? ¿Quién sabe? Okay, write your favorite phrase in the comment below. Which one did you like the most? Now, 6 powerful ways to say I don't know in Spanish. And you also sound like you actually do know how Spanish works. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. And if you want the downloadable guide, the vocabulary list and PowerPoints as well, and a copy of the PDF for this lesson, go to learnspanishworld.com and download the Spanish collection. I update it on a weekly basis. So once you download it, you'll be able to download it once again and keep up to date with the lessons. Now, if you want to learn even more Spanish, check out my other videos, the other phrases. I got a ton of playlists that will help you sound and speak like a native. Please subscribe, support this channel, and speak like a native. Learn Spanish the real way. Chao, chao, amigos. Hasta la próxima.